When you think about astronomy, virtually everything you've ever heard, everything you know, is astronomy that's been learned with a telescope. And the thing that's so exciting about this event is that it's something we've always known, we've always predicted, that if you had light and gravity together, the two pieces of information could tell you something more.
The news of this detection first came out on the morning of August 17th. First, there were several emails sent around to members of the LIGO and Virgo scientific collaborations saying that an interesting alert had been picked up that may or may not have been a gravitational wave source.
What we were seeing in the signal was the spiral dance and eventual death of a pair of neutron stars.
A neutron star is a collapsed skeleton of a star. When the star explodes and dies, it compresses down to something about the size of a city, and the whole star, more or less, is composed of ultra-dense neutrons.
But that nuclear matter that came crashing together also emits electromagnetic waves. And that's the amazing thing with this source. For the first time, we saw this multi-messenger message of combined gravitational waves and electromagnetic waves.
So right now, the thing that we're worried about is, well, what did they become? What happens to two neutron stars when they combine? Do they make one new gigantic super neutron star? Or do they become a black hole? We don't know. We may not be able to answer that from this first detection.
This is, of course, an amazing feeling to have opened up a new field of multi-messenger astronomy. One might say, you're done. Okay, let's go home. But in reality, this is just the beginning for us.
Just like when people were first building telescopes and looking up and there was amazing things to see, we are now in an era where we have a new sort of telescope and we can look at an entirely new channel of information.
It's one of the most monumental feats in modern astrophysics. And decades from now, maybe even centuries from now, people will look back at this event and say, this is where it started.